Sa religion kasi namin, parang kumbaga sa God is the center of our relationship. Isa yun sa mga reason kung bakit nagtatagal kami. And siguro trust na rin tsaka respect.
There she goes again.
For 25 years, ang nakita ko sa kanya is from the start na nagkaroon kami ng relationship up to now, walang pagbabago. Yun pa din siya.
There she goes again. There she goes again. Pulsing through my veins. There she goes. And I just can't contain this feeling that remains.
Sa banal na pangalan ng ating Diyos na lumikha ng langit at lupa, muli kong ipinapahayag ang aking pag-ibig sa iyo, Toots, upang makasama ka at mahawakan ka mula sa araw na ito at magpakailanman.
Thank you for everything you've done for us. I just want to let you know that if you're ever feeling anything or you need someone to talk to, you can always come to us. I'm just really thankful for all the things you've done for us, Pop.
Maraming salamat sa 25 years na pagmamahal, pag-aalaga sa mga bata, pagbigay ng pamilya sa mga bata.
I could say that all of us are all witnesses of God's goodness to our celebrant, Brother Toots and Sister Joy. Bihira po ang umaabot sa 25 taon. For Joy and Toots na makarating sila sa ika-25 taon ay isang napakalaking pagpapala na mula sa Panginoon.
Mommy, Daddy, happy 25th anniversary. It's been such a blessing to be, born into this family. I appreciate you guys so much, and everything you've done for us thus far has been out of love. The amount of love that you have for each other is so strong that you've been able to last 25 years. It's so impressive, and I pray to the Lord that it just continues. It keeps going until the day you both move on to the next life.
If you ever need help, just know that, we are always gonna be here for you.
Happy 25th anniversary. I hope I pick up from you guys and you have such a happy marriage. I hope to pick up from you and I hope you have happy years together in the years to come. Happy 25th anniversary. I love you.
O hindi man ako perfect, sisikapin ko na maging mabuting asawa pa rin sa'yo sa mga susunod na taon at marami pang taon na darating.
Hindi ko man pinapadama sa iyo kung gaano ako ka-sweet o kung gaano man ako kamahal, pero talagi mo tatandaan na mahal kita. Huwag mong kakalimutan yun.
Palakpakan natin ang Panginoon. Lord, sa inyong blessing po sa mag-asawang ito. For giving them, Lord, alam namin 25 years and more years to come.
Habang nabubuhay ako, ikaw lang yung mamahalin ko. At sisikapin ko maging magandang example para sa mga anak natin. I love you, mahal.